Hi guys, it's Friday today and I have to quickly explain to you what's going on. This vlog is uni day vlog. I've been trying to start it so many times but it hasn't worked out, so I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of what's going on. Today is not like a usual day, so normally 10 till 11:30 we have group supervision, but because it's the end of the year, next week is our last week, we're doing supervision reviews, so we all go in for 30 minutes each and then we have our review with our supervisor one-to-one. So today mine is from 10:30 till 10 and it's like 10:23, so I need to rush and go. And then from 11 to 11:30 everyone else, the rest of the group, is going to come in and join them. We're going to do what, I don't know. So that's today's agenda for now, and then I'll take you guys through the rest of the day and explain what's going on there because it's a bit different as well. So yes, and I hope you enjoyed the last vlog, my placement vlog. If you haven't watched that, watch that, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's get through this day, guys. See you after my supervision session when I have a break at 11:30.
Doors closing.
I've got to get there in 2 minutes. That's how close I am to the uni building and like how close the accommodation in the uni are for me.
Ground
I'm
floor.
wearing Uggs today. Can't see them. I'm wearing Uggs today.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Oh. The uni building is like right there. So yeah, we can get there on time. You like my Uggs? Well, this is the uni building in general. And here's the main entrance. So normally I have my supervision in this room, but for some reason we had to go somewhere else today. So on my way out. So I've just finished the supervision like I showed you guys. I was in a different room today, I don't know why. Oh, so noisy. So I'm on my little break and I'm hungry, so I didn't really have much of a breakfast, so I'm gonna quickly pack my bag, which is literally just, I think, a pen and my notebook. My notebook. And that's it really. So next up is the one lecture that we have for the day. So that's going to be 12 to 1:30. So I'm guessing it's probably going to be another CBT lecture, and then next week I believe is our end of year lecture. And then from 1:30 till 2:30 we have our lunch break, so I'm going to eat something properly then. And then at the end of the day, no, and then 3:30 till 4 5:30, we have a process group where we just sit around and talk about whatever, and then we have a 30-minute break, and then from 4 till 5:30 we have group presentations. So normally for most of the year, the end of day lecture, well, we used to have a lecture at the end of the day from 4 to 5:30. We used to have another lecture, but for the past month or something, we've been doing group presentations. So every week one person does a presentation about something that they're interested in, any topic. So as a year group, we were split into 2 groups. I was the first on the list because my last name begins with A, and then the other half of the year is in a different group. So yeah, you just present on something that you find interesting and relate it obviously to counselling or assessment. So mine was on being a counsellor in a school and what that was like and what people can expect from it, blah blah blah. And then some other people have done presentations on nature therapy, on art therapy, working with blind people, working with the elderly. People have done presentations on a lot of things, and I've learned so much from them. Someone did one on chemsex. There's been a lot of different presentations. I can't remember all of them off the top of my head. So now I'm just thinking, what snacks should I eat to get me through the next hour and a half? I think I'll get myself a bowl of apples. Yeah, I'll get myself a bowl of sliced apples. So I'll be back. Done now. Some of my classmates are there and it's over.
Doors closing.
So now I was just showing you my classmates because we're all gone. They asked me to come to the pub. I was like, lunchtime. So now I'm just having a 1-hour lunch from 1:30 to 2:30 and then go back to process group.
Third floor.
So, yeah, so the lecture today was really
Doors opening. Doors closing.
So at the end of the lecture, they were telling him like how helpful he's been, and then he started tearing up and there was like big claps and everything. So emotional. But yeah, I can't record most of the lectures because of like confidentiality and stuff, because people share personal things. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have my lunch and I'll see you guys in a bit. So now I'm going to the process group. Starts in about 4 minutes or 3 minutes. I don't think I'm going to be able to record that room because, yeah, it's a bit too private and personal. So, yeah, then after that we have a 30-minute break. So I'll probably stay on campus, so I might not record because I'll probably be talking to my colleagues. And then that will be it. So see you guys later. So I just finished in the other room. So this is the room where we're going to have our presentations now. So 3 people are presenting today, or 4, I can't remember. So, and then we should be done by like 5ish. So yeah, group supervision was good today. We're preparing to end next week. So at this point in the day, we're about to go through the people's presentations for today, and the computer wasn't working for some reason. So we're waiting for about 5 minutes before my lecturer decided that we should go to another room. So we're going to another room. That's what you're going to see.
clothing,
So I'm done with uni now. I normally would have been home like straight away, but I decided to be a social butterfly and hang out with some of my friends. So now it's I think 5:45. I'm gonna eat and then do the notes, like do my reflection notes. So now I'm back in my room. I think I'm gonna close the vlog off here. Oh, before I go, something interesting that happened today. When I was in my supervision class, I was speaking about one of my clients, and when I shared it with my group, I was met with silence and I was a bit confused. And then my supervisor was like, "He's in love with you." And I was like, "What? No." And then everyone else in the room was like nodding their heads and saying, "Yeah, that's the first thing I thought of." And I was just like, "What?" Please tell me you're joking. That can't be true. That can't be real. I genuinely am still in denial. I don't think he is, because I've literally only seen him for like a few sessions. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm leaving soon anyway, so it's cool. He hasn't said anything to me and I'm not gonna say nothing, so it's fine. So yeah, anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.